Remember when Microsoft Word was the boss of document editing? Like, it was the tool everyone used. School essays, resumes, even your Dear Diary moments all were typed in Word. But now, we've evolved. MS Word feels clunky, expensive, and don't even get me started on collaboration because waiting for someone to email back version 3 final-final.docx is not the vibe in 2025. What you really need is a tool that can keep up with how you actually work. Something that lets you collaborate in real time, format like a pro, and integrates with all your other tools. So today we're exploring 5 awesome Microsoft Word alternatives that are smarter, faster, and just more fun to use. And yeah, some of them might actually make you enjoy writing again. All right, first up, ClickUp. This isn't just another Word replacement. It's like your writing tool got a project management super serum. With ClickUp Docs, you can write, edit, and collaborate in real time, all while keeping your documents connected to your tasks, projects, and goals. And if you've ever wished your doc could write itself, use ClickUp Brain. This built-in contextual AI helps you summarize, rewrite, and edit your docs instantly so you spend less time fixing grammar and formatting and more time focusing on ideas. Now, if you want to take it up a notch, meet Talk-to-Text in ClickUp Brain MAX, your desktop AI companion. This feature lets you dictate full-fledged documents up to 400% faster than typing. It's smart enough to understand your company's terms, team names, and internal jargon automatically. You talk and it types for you, clean and simple. So yeah, if Word is where you write things down, ClickUp's where you actually make things happen. Next up, good old Google Docs. It's basically the group project hero we've all used at some point. You can collaborate live, see people typing in real time, and never again wonder who has the latest version. It's clean, simple, and everything you write is saved in Google Drive almost instantly. So losing your work is basically impossible. Plus, if you're on Google Workspace, you get Gemini, Google's AI assistant, built right in. It helps you draft, summarize, or even rephrase content fast. But just don't expect fancy formatting or mind-blowing layouts. Docs keep it minimalist. So if you want straightforward, fast, and free writing, Google Docs is it. Now, if you like your tools flexible, Notion can be an option. It's a mix of notes, docs, and tasks, all in one customizable space. It uses a block system so you can add headings, bullets, tables, and ready-to-use templates to your document. It's like writing inside an infinite whiteboard. But Notion can be a bit like IKEA, versatile, but you'll spend a while figuring out how to assemble your workspace just right. Coming in next is Dropbox Paper. Paper is made for team collaboration. You can co-edit, leave comments, and embed pretty much anything. YouTube videos, designs, music, you name it. The interface is super clean, perfect for brainstorming, client presentation, or quick meeting notes. But fair warning, if you're someone who loves structure and hardcore formatting, Paper keeps things pretty loose. And finally, you've got Zoho Writer. This one's built for the pros. It's sleek, focused, and loaded with features that support collaborative writing such as track changes and the ability to check plagiarism. You can even import styles from other documents. It connects seamlessly with the rest of the Zoho ecosystem, CRM, Sheet, projects, the whole 9 yards, and its AI helps catch errors, suggest tone improvements, and keep your writing crisp. But the catch is that it can feel a little heavy on slower systems, and occasionally, pasting content from other apps can mess with formatting. But if you're already in the Zoho universe, you can definitely use this one for writing. So yeah, Word had its time, but these tools, they get how we actually work today. So if you're tired of bouncing between tools to just churn one doc, ClickUp is where it all comes together. Write smarter, collaborate faster, and actually get work done. You can get started right now. Just check the links in the description box or visit clickup.com.